How to delete streams from your Kick profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete streams from your Kick profile. So, whenever you stream and you end the stream, it'll automatically show up on your profile as past stream or broadcast. So, if you want to delete that, what you'll have to do is first of all tap on your avatar on the top right and then go to channel. As you can see, this is the one which I streamed previously. So as you can see, it is showing up on my profile. So let's say I don't want this to show up on my profile and I want to delete it. Now what you'll have to do is simply go to videos and then under recent broadcast you can see this is my live stream which I did about an hour ago. So if I want to delete this from my profile, what you'll have to do is simply hover your mouse over your stream and then you can see a little X icon right over here. Simply tap on it and then it will say, are you sure you wish to delete this video? You will not be able to recover this video. So simply tap on the option delete, and then as you can see, you have successfully deleted the video from your profile. Now simply refresh your profile, and then as you can see, the video has been successfully removed or deleted from your profile. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.